Don't push, yeah? Ashley, come. Come this way. Young. Come and sit here. Adia kaunga namala kuchapati Adia kaunga namala kwa
Hello viewers, thank you so much, thank you for watching. Like I've said, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much. Today it has been a busy day because we were renovating our kitchen. Yesterday when we were baking a cake, it started raining, and the rain were passing up from the roof where we had not built. So that's why we said no, let us at least do some renovation. We close that place such that we cook in a very safer place. Otherwise, thank you so much. Thank you each and everybody that has always supported us. Thanks to Kayla, thanks to Tonny, thanks to Mama K. Thank you so much. May God bless you. May God reward you abundantly. Tonny and Kayla sent me some donations, and then they instructed me. By the way, these are brother Tonny and their brothers and sisters. Anyway, Thank you. That family, thank you so much. You're a great family to us. Moreover, they are brothers and sisters, but they keep coordinating, and of course, they have always been there in case we need anything. So yesterday, they sent me some money to do some shopping for the place. So they told me I buy some beans. I even buy some GNAT paste. So today morning I went to the market and I bought some GNAT paste, and I also bought some beans. At least when we stock food like that, it can push us a little bit for some number of days. Otherwise, thank you so much. They also told me to buy flour. So good enough. I've also bought flour. Only that for the video of the flour, I only took a video when it has already reached at home, because I just sent somebody. Because I was a bit fixed. But good enough, they brought. I found it home. Thank you so much. Thank you, Kayla. Thank you, Tonny, for that kind heart. Thank you for your generosity. Family, like I've told you, we are so happy. We are really happy. We are really happy that we have you as a family. Thank you, each and everybody that has helped, that has supported, that has donated to Alauni Children's Foundation. We are doing great. Thank you, Sister Susan, with your family. Thank you, Mama K. Thank you, Amber Watson. Had taken a long time minus hearing from you. It's glad that today you sent me a tip. You tell me, hello, Alauni family. I've not forgotten you, your family. Amber Watson, thank you so much. May God bless USA. May God bless each and everybody that has always supported us. The other thing I would like to update you about, family, the issue of the GoFund. I'm working upon it, but I will soon get a person whom we are going to trust, and of course makes for us a GoFundMe account. But still, what I would like to tell our viewers, if you're there and you still want to donate to us, please, we have some other platforms. When you send your donations, we receive it there and then. We receive it directly. So if you are able to send your donations through PayPal, we have an email there. It's connected to PayPal, and we also have a PayPal link. Please, if you're in need of maybe giving us anything, you can just go direct to the link and then send us your donation. We shall receive it. We depend 100%. We depend totally on your donations. So you people, you've done a great work. May God bless each and everybody that has always been there for us. So family, at times even reach out of words, but I'm very happy. Great greetings to my mentor, to my what should I say? What's the best word that I can use? Great greetings to Sarah Tourist and Team UG. Thank you so much. You are my mentors. I've loved what you've always done and what you've always done for this family. Thank you so much. May God bless you. These children they are where they are because of you people. You've always inspired me. You are my mentors. Thank you so much. Please, if you don't know their channel, it's Sarah Tourist. You can check on their channels. They are good friends of mine. They have always done great work. They have always changed the lives, the livelihoods of people. You check on them. They are good. They are so much good. They are my inspirations and they are my mentor. And if they are not the one, I wouldn't have pushed up to this. So family, may God bless each and everybody that has always supported me. Please, I will keep updating you with all the activities that will be taking place here. Like as usual, whenever they always give me something, I always have to make sure that I give it to the person who has sent it. Kayla and Tonny, you told me I give some little money to Mama Adrian. So Kayla, thank you so much. May God bless each and everybody. Thank you so much. Anyway, Mama Adrian is our cook, and you know how she has always struggled with the children and with cooking. So they have, when they give me something, I always bring to her. So Mama Adrian, Kayla, as he told me to give you this money. Yes.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Thank you. May God bless you.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So Kayla, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for taking care of Mama Adrian and Israel. Enoch, sorry, Enoch, because Israel and Adrian, they are here, so she only lives with Enoch, so and Eunice. So thank you so much. May God bless you. May God bless each and everything. You even sent me money. By the way, I didn't show you that video. You sent me money to pay for rent, but I paid. I have paid. Only that I didn't show you the video. You know, the owner of the house is our Muguga. How do you call it? Umuguga. Is a Kabaka. By the way, the owner of the house where Mama Adrian is staying is the king, is the Kabaka of the Bagisu. So at times taking a video, they don't want at times to take a video. Otherwise, it's so much appreciative. I went and took money, and he received it. I went to his office. Otherwise, thank you so much. May God bless you. May God bless you, Kayla. May God bless you, Tonny. May God bless the family of Susan. Thank you so much. Thank you a lot. I can't believe you've changed the life of Mama Israel, and she's doing well. And she's at times say, I wish I was in position maybe to say hi directly to these people. I don't know even. Otherwise, thank you so much. May God bless each and everybody that has always supported Mama Israel and Eunice and Enoch and the family at large. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Bye.